Siser's EasyWeed HTV is truly just what the name implies, easy. All it takes to use it is you cut, weed, and then apply it with a heat press. And if you'd like to know how that's done, we're gonna concisely show you and drop some tips with none other than Siser North America's Patrick Ali.
And thank you so much, Jared, for bringing us on and allowing us to talk. So the process of actually cutting, weeding, and applying EasyWeed is extremely simple. Alrighty, so what you're going to do is on your home cutting software, you're going to find the vector design that you want to create with your EasyWeed. Now in Leonardo Design Studio, we've made it extremely simple to do multicolored layered designs fast and efficiently by flattening our colored SVGs, making the process oversimplified for you at home. Now, when we get to the actual cutting process and our home cutting system is done, we simply take that material off of our vinyl cutter, weed away the excess material or eliminating all of the negative space that we don't want in our design, and simply going on over to our heat press and applying at a time and temperature setting of 305 degrees for 10 to 15 seconds. Now to note, EasyWeed is a hot peel product, so right from the heat press, you can apply your design and peel that carrier immediately. And the biggest benefit of using the 1 second tack when you're applying EasyWeed heat transfer vinyl is the fact that you can simply apply multiple layers fast and efficiently. Now, don't forget to use a cover sheet as we're applying EasyWeed heat transfer vinyl, because this allows for longevity of our heat press, but also allow us to not scorch our materials in between each pressing layer. Alrighty, and a pro tip is that the Siser library is extensive. It's ranging from our basic Siser EasyWeed all the way to EasyWeed Stretch for polyester stretchable garments, all the way to our sublimation dye blockers such as an EasyWeed Subblock, or maybe you have a sports jersey that you're looking to make sure you have some longevity. Siser EasyWeed Extra is a great option. And the best part is that once you go over to heatpressnation.com to pick up your Siser EasyWeed products today, you're coming into that with knowledge and with intention. And that is the big benefit of Siser EasyWeed. I'm Patrick Ali with Siser North America. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time.